We at Springs Church call upon the Manitoba government to stop the spread of COVID-19 while upholding the charter rights of Manitobans. I'm Leon Fontaine, the senior pastor of Springs Church. Today, I'm releasing the following statement regarding the decision of the government of Manitoba to prevent Manitobans from practicing their faith while remaining in their cars with their windows rolled up. COVID-19 presents a serious threat to the health and economy of our province. We all have a role to play in combating the spread of COVID-19, which is why our church has complied with every public health rule the government has put forward to bend the curve. We also know that many people are struggling with the many challenges that accompany COVID-19 lockdowns. This is why our church has worked diligently to find innovative ways to support the needs of our community while complying with government advice on stopping the spread of COVID-19. These range from curbside grocery pickup for hurting families to drive-in worship services. The government has established rules which prohibit people from gathering with people who aren't members of their household. They have deemed these rules sufficient to keep people safe as they drive to the liquor, cannabis, or big box retail store, park their car, and enter those facilities. If this is the case, we have to ask ourselves why the government has deemed it unsafe for Manitobans to drive to their place of worship with their windows rolled up for the entirety of a service and practice their faith. We believe this is an oversight on the part of the government of Manitoba, as other provinces across Canada have made accommodations for drive-in worship services while working to stop the spread of COVID-19. We've reached out to Minister Friesen to find a positive path forward to ensure our drive-in services continue to meet all rules related to preventing the spread of COVID-19, but our efforts in reaching a meaningful diplomatic solution have failed. As such, we will be challenging this ruling in court, as we believe that Manitobans can have their right to practice their faith upheld while simultaneously upholding government COVID-19 prevention rules. We hope to work with the government, not at cross purposes in this regard. Today, as a government asks Manitobans to have faith in their ability to manage the spread of COVID-19, we ask them to work with us to help Manitobans practice their faith.